In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Facebook Marketplace settings for better communication. If you sell on Marketplace, the fastest way to close a sale is to see messages right away, respond clearly, and keep your listing details accurate. We'll walk through a few settings and habits that make that simple. Start by turning on Marketplace notifications inside the Facebook app. Open the app, tap the menu icon, then go to Settings and Privacy and open Settings. Find Notifications, choose Marketplace, and switch on alerts for messages from buyers, new offers, and listing updates. These toggles make sure your phone pings you when someone reaches out or submits an offer so you can reply before they move on. If your device has notification controls, double check that Facebook is allowed to send alerts, banners, or sounds so nothing gets buried. Next, handle conversations through Messenger for the quickest back and forth. Marketplace chats automatically land in Messenger. Open the app, look for threads labeled Marketplace, and answer questions as soon as you can. A fast first reply builds trust and often determines who a buyer chooses. Even a short acknowledgement like, "Got your message, I'll check details and reply shortly," can hold their interest while you gather info. To make speed a habit, prepare a few quick replies you can paste. Save them in your notes so they're always a tap away. For availability, try, "Hi, yes, the item is still available. Let me know if you'd like to schedule pickup." For location, use, "Pickup location is in my area. Message me if you'd like the exact address." Tailor the wording to your tone and keep it friendly and specific. Sometimes messages from new buyers are filtered. In Messenger, open message requests and scan for Marketplace inquiries that didn't hit your main inbox. Checking this folder regularly prevents missed opportunities, especially right after posting a new listing or changing the price. Clear communication also starts with a clear listing. Edit your post to include the exact price, the pickup location or general area, the condition of the item, and any delivery options you're willing to offer. When buyers have those basics up front, they ask fewer repeat questions, and your replies can focus on scheduling and payment instead of clarifying details you could share once. Put these pieces together. Notifications on, Messenger ready, quick replies saved, message requests checked, and listings kept crystal clear, and you'll spend less time chasing chats and more time closing smooth, friendly sales on Marketplace.